What's up, y'all? What's going on? Mr. Cosmic here. With all the noise. We in Chiang Mai. Walking down the street, as you can see. Crazy. A lot of traffic. Going to check out this dentist office to see if we can get a good deal, better than the States. So I want to see what they offer and see if it's really worth it. Could have took a tuk-tuk or something like that, but hadn't really been out walking. So just getting out, feeling the city, checking it out, and try to get a feel for everything and just the overall environment of Chiang Mai. So far, everybody's been really nice, very kind, pretty much easy going, and I don't really feel like people were really surprised to see people of color. Matter of fact, I just came across a really crazy busy street, and on the other side was a black woman, a woman of color. So, and she spoke while we spoke, and just kept it all moving. But ideally, it'd be nice to make connections with people and just try to figure out what are they doing, how are they doing, and so on and so forth. But anyway, Chiang Mai, headed to the dentist. I'll probably try to get a little footage out there, let you guys see. A lot of stores, restaurants. There's McDonald's. Literally walking right down the middle, right down the side of the highway, really. So about a mile, be down there. Hey, I'll get back with you guys, let you know how it goes. See the prices and stuff at the dentist.